Hello guys, SW Outdoors, and tonight we're going to have another episode of SW Outdoors Kitchen, and tonight we're having some deer steaks, which I cut up into smaller pieces, wrapped in bacon. So anyways guys, we are now back in the kitchen right here. Got some deer meat right here, some deer steaks from the doe I shot in the last episode of SW Outdoors. So we got these small deer steaks cut up. Got ourselves a little bowl right here for the marinating. And over here, we got ourselves the bacon. So we're just going to get ourselves started right here with the first step. So step number one, I'm going to put a bowl right here. I'm going to put in some soy sauce into the bowl here. My first step. So a fair bit of soy sauce in there. Next step, from Cheshire sauce, which is what also another ingredient I put in my stuff. Put that on there too. Part of the marinade all up in there. I put the soy sauce in first, and the Cheshire sauce, which is what I usually like to use in marinade. Now the next step, we got some Montreal steak spices here. So I'm going to put them onto the meat right now. All meat. All right there. Just gonna go get them all into the steak meat right there. Just put it all up in there. So I got the Montreal steak in them. Next step. Next thing I'm going to put in there is Epicure Next step is I'm going to put in some Epicure oven roast spice in there. Dab a little bit of that on there too. Mix it all up in there. That step's done. Now I'm going to put a little bit of garlic and herbs in it. I'm going to put a little small little garlic on it here. I think I'm probably putting up too much spices on the steak here. Just going to move that all in. And now it's time for the marinade. So now's the next step. I'm going to put it all in the marinade. in the shower sauce and the soy sauce. Give you guys a better angle there. Put it all in. One steak in. Marinate. Another steak in, marinate. So basically just going to put them all in the marinade right now. Smaller piece there, fell apart. So put that all in there. Leave them all to marinate for a little bit. Get all the steak in there. Small lid. Time there. Now I got my steak all marinating up. Now I'm going to get the bacon already opened up here. So now that I got the bacon out, the next step is to get the pan ready to go here with a little bit of oil. The oil's in the pan here. I'm now going to take some of my steaks out here and put them into the bacon. Step 1. Step 2 is wrap them in the bacon. Wrapped up in the bacon. I might just throw a little bit of pepper on them, and then they're good to go on the pan. So, put pepper on them. Doesn't hurt. Peppers on them. They're good to go on the pan. Okay, the stove's ready to go. Let's put the venison wrapped in the bacon on. Wait until she's done. So anyways guys, the meat is done. Turned out pretty good. Got some noodle stuff on the side, and we're going to try this out. See how I did. Not bad tasting at all. So like I say guys, I truly do love my venison. Venison I think is one of my most favorite meat in the world. But well cooked. Especially with the bacon on it too. Too good I can just eat with my hands right here. Amazing. So anyways guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. Anyways, guys, that's a wrap on dinner tonight. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys put a like. If you guys are not subscribed to SW Outdoors, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell when the latest videos are, and hopefully one of these days we can get ourselves another successful SW Outdoors kitchen. So, either ways, SW Outdoors. Signing out.